Hello, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. And welcome to SRPS online classes. Okay, children. Today we are going to read chapter number 8 of your English textbook. And the chapter name is Infant Rescue. So, what is the meaning of infant? Infant means baby, a little baby. Okay, and rescue means to save. Okay, so in this story, there is a baby elephant who was stuck somewhere. Okay, and it was only a 10-day-old baby. Okay, so some people and farmer saved its life. So let's see how they saved its life in this chapter. So let's start the chapter. The road from Mettupalayam to Thekkampatti looked beautiful in the bright moonlight. Children, it is a South Indian story. Okay. So the road from Mettupalayam or to Thekkampatti looked very beautiful in the moonlight. Okay. The hills in the distance and the forest with its leafy trees shone with a silvery light. Okay, when the moonlight falls on them, the hills and the forest, which are full of leafy trees, okay, shone very brightly, very silvery. Okay, in the silence of the night, there was the sound of a tractor, and it was a dark night, and there was the sound of a tractor. A farmer was returning home by his tractor. In the distance, he could see some elephants. They'll go back into the forest soon, he thought. Okay, when he was returning home, he saw some elephants and he thought that they will go back into the forest. Okay, he thought that they would go back into the forest soon. But the elephants thought differently. But the elephants did not think the same. As he came a little closer, he saw a cow elephant blocking the road. Okay. When the farmer came a little closer to them, what did he see? He saw a cow elephant. Cow elephant means a female elephant. Okay. A cow blocking the road. So, what did the cow elephant do? She blocking the road, and she seemed very nervous. Something was wrong with them, and he was very tired. She was very restless. Okay. But the elephant was getting more and more restless. He decided to alert the forest department. When the farmers see that the elephants and the cow elephants looked restless, he was worried about them. So he decided to alert the forest department. He decided to inform to the forest department about the elephants. Then P. Sarath Kumar, a forest guard, and 5 others came quickly. The elephant was near the banks of the Bhavani river. When he informed the forest department, then Sarath Kumar and 5 forest guards came there quickly. The elephant was near the banks of the Bhavani river. Where were the elephants? Elephants were near the banks of the Bhavani river. They spent 3 hours trying to send the elephant back into the forest. Sarath Kumar and forest guard, they all spent 3 hours. And what they were trying to do? They were trying to send the elephant back into the forest. They wanted that the elephants would go back into the forest. But she would cross the road. But she would cross the road, then come back to the same spot where they had found her. Why? They wondered. When they spent 3 hours trying to send the elephants back into the forest, but the cow elephant cross the road and come back at the same place where they found the cow elephant. They were very wondered why she came here again. Okay, as if to answer the question, they heard the cry of a baby elephant. Okay, when they were thinking about this thing, that why she came back here, at that time they heard the cry of a baby elephant. But where was it? They did not know where was it. Where was the baby elephant? From where the voice is coming? Okay, they started searching and found the calf. Then they started to search it. Okay, and they found the calf, a 10-day-old baby with a tender pink tipped trunk and fine soft hair on its head and back. When they found the calf, they saw that it was only a 10-day-old baby and its skin is very tender. Tender means very soft. Pink tipped trunk, and its trunk is like just pink color, and fine soft hair, and its hair was very soft. They felt so sorry for the little creature. They felt pity at him. Huh? And they felt so sorry for a very little creature. The little thing was stuck in a sandy hole, weak and tired from hunger. The baby elephant was stuck in a sandy hole, and he was very weak and tired from hunger. Okay, he was so weak that he could not walk properly, and he was very frightened. Then the rescuers quickly made arrangements to feed the baby with glucose and coconut water. When they found that the baby elephant was very hungry, they arranged some glucose and coconut water for baby elephant. They managed to lift the calf out of the sandy pit. They tried to lift the calf out of the sandy pit, but the calf was still too frightened and weak to walk on its own. But the calf could not walk because he was very weak and frightened. Okay, and he could not walk. Then the forest officials knew that the mother was close by. The guard and Sarath Kumar knew this thing, that its mother was close nearby. Okay, if they did not act fast, the mother could attack them. They thought that if the baby calf did not go to its mother, okay, then the mother could attack them. That was when Sarath Kumar decided to do a great act of kindness. Then Sarath Kumar decided that he would help the baby elephant. So what did he do? He picked up the calf. He lifted up the calf, carried on its shoulders, and walked towards the forest. Okay, he went to the forest. It was quicker and safer that way. After carrying the baby elephant for about 50 meters, he put it down near a water hole, hoping the mother would find it. Okay, after carrying the baby elephant for about 50 meters, and he carrying the baby elephant about 50 meters, and he put it down near a water hole. Water hole means a natural hollow where rainwater collects. and he was hoping that its mother would find it. Okay. A few hours later, Sarath Kumar went to the water hole. After some time, Sarath Kumar went to the same place. Okay. Then the calf wasn't there. The calf was not there. The mother and her calf had gone safely into the forest. After some time, they found that the calf was not there. They thought that the mother and her calf had gone safely into the forest. He heard an elephant trumpet, and after some time, they heard an elephant trumpet. Maybe it was her way of saying thank you for rescuing my infant. They were thinking that elephant was thanking them for rescuing his infant, rescuing his baby. So that was the end of the chapter. Thank you.